friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we are solving the sixth exercise, that is 2.6 from the chapter Fractions and Decimals from NCERT Mathematics textbook for class 7th. Right, so in the previous we have already solved 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4 with 2.5. So we are starting with 2.6. If you haven't seen them, please check the description box for our class 7 maths NCERT solutions playlist. Okay, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and uh, please share this video with your friends, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do watch it till the end. Let us begin with the first question from exercise 2.6. So initially we have understood what are decimal numbers, how do we find the bigger or the smaller number in decimals, what is the place value of decimals, and how do we solve certain related word problems, addition and subtraction. Now in this we are moving to multiplication, right? Since we have already done multiplication of fractions, so we are now doing multiplication of decimals in this exercise, and in the last exercise we will perform division of decimals. So this is nothing but it's a very easy part. So since we need to multiply, so that is 0.2 multiplied by 6, so 6 2s are 12, right? 6 zeros are 0. So here we have decimal at one place, so here we will put it from one place. But if I discuss about the second one, let me see. So it's 8 multiplied by 4.6, so I can take 4.6 above, it will hardly make a difference, right? So the answer will come out to be 368, and since we have only one place value after the decimal, so the decimal point will be at one place. Now here we have decimal place value, decimal point after the two digits. Yes. So let me see when I am going to multiply what I am going to get. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3, 5 twos are 10 plus 3 is 13. Now I will not put the decimal point after one digit, but I will put it after the two digits. Yes, because 2.71 there were two digits, so the answer is 13.55. We never read 55, we always read 55. We break the digits after the decimal and then we read it. Fourth part, 20.1. So that is 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8. Yes. So again I have decimal at one place. So these are the answers for the first four parts of the first question. Right. Let us move forward. I hope everybody is trying to understand. Just keep into your minds that the decimal point shall be according to the number of digits after the decimal point given in the question. Let's move forward. So it's 0.05, 0.7, 7 fives are 35. Yes. So here the decimal point will be at two places because we have two digits after the decimal point. Then let's come to the sixth one. 21102 into 4. Yes. 4 twos are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Right. So there are decimals after two places. Right. Okay. Let's come forward. 2 multiplied by 0.86. So we are going to multiply now. Now when we are multiplying, again we will take into consideration what? So that is 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 2 8 are 16, 17. Right. So decimal point will be at two places. Understood? Okay. So these were the another three parts we have done from question number 1. Okay. बढ़ते हैं आगे. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth is given to us. Obviously, the formula of area of rectangle, everybody is aware about it. First, let me find the length is given to me as 5.7 centimeters and the breadth is given to me as 3 centimeters. So we need to find the area. Yes, so area is the surface enclosed by any figure. So as first we will write the formula for area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, and then we have square units. Don't forget the units because this question includes units. That is L into B is 5.7 into 3 centimeter square. When you will multiply, what you will be getting? You will be getting 17.1 and centimeter square. So please keep into your minds, don't forget the units. So this question is again important as it is a word problem, right? Let's move further. अगर आपके पास area of square आता तो you could have done side into side. आपके पास area of a triangle आता, then you would have done it half into base into height, right? So here we had area of rectangle, which is length into breadth, right? Let's move forward. Find. So let us find the multiplication here. Now these questions are very easy, and how you are supposed to do, let me just explain you. So it's 1.3 into 10. So जब भी हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट हटाना होगा, सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे कितने हमारे पास डिजिट्स है. जैसे यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिर्फ एक डिजिट थी तो एक जीरो आ गया, इंटू 10, 10 वन जा 10 वन जा, so answer is 13, right? If I come to the second one, 368 upon 10. Why? Because only one digit after the decimal, so 10 ones are 10 ones are, left with 368. Please highlight your answers. Third, 153.7 को हटा के upon 10, because again we have only one digit. Yes, so 10 ones are 10 ones are, it's 1537 is the answer, right? Let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one says 168.07. Now 168.07 मतलब दो नंबर्स हैं डेसिमल के बाद, तो हमने दो जीरोस लगाए, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय किससे? 10 से, तो एक जीरो से एक ही जीरो कट हुआ, स्टिल आई एम लेफ्ट विद वन जीरो. So my answer here will become 1680.7, right? 0.7. ओके, बढ़ते हैं आगे. 31.1 into 100. So 31.1 upon 10 into 100. So 3110 is your answer. Sixth part. 1561, one digit 10 into 100. एक जीरो से एक जीरो cancel, left with only one zero in the numerator, so it will be in a multiplication state. Seventh, कैसे करेंगे अब आप मुझे बताओ. You will drop your answers in the comment section. Right? आ जाओ, एट्थ वाला देखेंगे. 43.07 है तो दो जीरोस आई, इंटू जीरो, राइट? तो 100 वन जा, सो लेफ्ट विद आंसर 4307 is your correct answer, right? Shall we move forward? Okay, let's move forward. Ninth part. 5 upon 10 into 10. 10 ones are 10 ones are, so answer is only 5. आगे देखो. 10th part. बहुत इजी है ये क्वेश्चंस, बहुत बच्चों वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं. दो डिजिट थी तो इंटू 100 इंटू 10 कट किया इसको, 0.8, right? Understood? All right. 11th. 0.9. Right? Again we have one digit. Yes. So 1 digit upon 10 into 100. एक से एक कैंसिल, हमारे पास एक बची, दैट मीन्स 90. 90. राइट. अब हम बढ़ते हैं 12th की तरफ. 12th वाला पार्ट लास्ट हमारा 0.03. दो डिजिट्स हैं तो दो जीरोस आएंगे नीचे, दो से दो जीरो कट, लेफ्ट विद ओनली 30. So we have solved the question number 3 also. So we are left with only 2 more questions. Let us quickly complete. एंड तक देखो, अच्छी लगे लाइक करो, शेयर करो. जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग अभी सीरीज स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चंस की, जब हम जम्बल्ड अप क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करेंगे. राइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Because it is based on your unitary method. Whatever you have to find, please start the statement with that word. So it's saying how much distance. So first is distance traveled. Distance traveled in 1 liter petrol कितना हो गया? How much is the distance? It is 55.3 kilometer. Right? अगर हम आगे बढ़े, distance, therefore distance traveled in 10 लीटर कितना करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 का हमें पता है तो 10 लीटर इंटू 55. राइट, सो इट विल बी गिविंग यू इन द किलोमीटर. So one let's multiply, that is 10 into 55 upon 553 upon 10. So the answer is 553 kilometer. Right? Is that clear to all of you? Fourth question is done. Let's move forward. Now this is the multiplication where it is involved. So this question is a very important question because इसमें अब हमारे पास 10 नहीं है, हमारे पास we don't have neither 10, we do not have, so we have decimals. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ, देखिए यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे भी डेसिमल और यहाँ पे भी डेसिमल है, दोनों में एक एक डिजिट के बाद है. जो हमारा फाइनल आंसर आएगा उसमें हम 2 डिजिट्स के बाद डेसिमल लगाएंगे. राइट, चलो कैसे करेंगे देखो. 2.5 0.3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इन दोनों को तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा 075. लेकिन 2, 1 और 2 तो हमारा डेसिमल आ जाएगा 0.75 पे. राइट, देखो सेकंड क्वेश्चन कैसे करेंगे. सेकंड वाला 51.7 0.1 किसी को भी ऊपर लेके कर सकते हो, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. सो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे एक डिजिट है और यहाँ पे भी एक डिजिट है तो हम 2 के बाद लगाएंगे, दैट इज 5.17. लेट्स कम टू द थर्ड वन. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि बड़े नंबर को ऊपर रखूं, लेकिन उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. अगर आप छोटे नंबर को ऊपर रखना चाहते हैं, आपकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन के स्टेप्स कम हो जाते हैं अगर आप ऊपर रखते हैं. तो इट्स अ ट्रिक, इट्स अ माइंड ट्रिक दैट यू कीप अ बिगर नंबर इन द upper side for during multiplication because a multiplied to b is always equals to b multiplied by a. यही हमने whole numbers के chapter class 6 में करा था, properties, commutative property holds true for addition and multiplication. Right, so it's 16 3 3 6. यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास एक डिजिट यहाँ पे है और एक डिजिट यहाँ पे है तो हमारे पास दो नंबर्स के बाद हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम राइट से लेफ्ट में लगाते हैं. राइट से लेफ्ट में लगाते हैं हमेशा जो हमारा डेसिमल का पॉइंट होता है. आइए देखते हैं 1.3 एंड 3.1, कोई भी ले सकते हो. आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए यहाँ पे 403. सो आपके 2 के बाद है, सो दैट इज 4.03. इज दैट क्लियर? So please remember one thing, make a note. Make a note, हमेशा decimal point जो हम लगाते हैं it is always from right to left. Right? Okay. Let's move to the fifth one. राइट। तो कैसे करा हमने 0.025, क्यों? यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट्स थी और यहाँ पे 1 डिजिट थी। सिक्स्थ वन, सिक्स पार्ट 11.2 0.15, करें इसको मल्टीप्लाई। 5 2 जा 10, 1 5 1 जा 5 6, 5 1 जा 5, 0 1 2 जा 2, 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1, 0 0 0, राइट। 0 8 6 1 0। सो कितने डेसिमल्स आ गए? 1 के बाद 1 एंड 2, तो 3 पॉइंट के बाद आ गई, दैट इज 1.680, 1.07, 0.02, 2 7 जा 14, 2 1 जा 2, 0 0 आता जाएगा। तो देखो यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 2 हैं और यहाँ पे भी 2 हैं, लेकिन तो 4 के बाद लगाना है, लेकिन हमारे पास 3 डिजिट है, तो एक 0 और लगा देंगे तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे आ जाएगा डेसिमल, सो इट बिकम्स 0.0214, राइट। कैसे करा, आप समझ आया अच्छे से? ऑलराइट, लेट्स मूव फर्दर। सेवेंथ, एट्थ पार्ट, सेवेंथ हमारा हो चुका है, एट्थ पार्ट पे आ गए हम। Similarly, 10.05 multiplied by 1.05. You will be getting your answers. चेक करो इससे अपने आंसर्स कैसे आ रहे हैं आप लोगों के आंसर्स। आपके आंसर्स आएंगे 214 नो, दिस इज नॉट द आंसर, ये प्रीवियस वाले का आंसर मैंने दोबारा से लिख दिया बाय मिस्टेक। So it is 10, so it is 10.5525, right? So coming to the ninth one, so 101.01, 0.01, right? उसके बाद हमारा कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसको? आंसर आने का 1.1001, not 10, 01 and 01. Coming to the ninth one, we are getting the answers 100.01 multiplied by 1.1 is equals to 110.011, right? So here we are coming to the end of this video. I hope everybody has liked it, and those who have not completed, please check your uh, previous answers, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I hope everybody has completed exercise 2.6 also. All the best, and you can find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.